Ready to take your Red Hat sales to exciting new places? Explore your potential with an extraordinary journey just waiting to be discovered. Red Hat Advanced Sales Workshops help partner sales professionals like you expand your knowledge of selling Red Hat products, solutions, and services to hit sales targets and maximize deals. All instructor-led training focuses on helping you identify a real customer and covers the topics you need for more productive conversations, so you can grow your pipeline like a pro. Find new sales and services opportunities, close deals faster, and make more money. These workshops really pay off. After training, average estimated pipeline for subscriptions and services per partner grew to $270,000. Here's what partners around the world are saying about these workshops. Very engaging, great content, was very inclusive of the group's questions and participation. A+. I learned a lot, and I believe that now I'll be able to more easily identify qualified prospects. The opportunity to take this class with other partners was awesome to learn from everyone else's experience. I enjoyed the course very much and will do my best to ensure more of my colleagues attend. With many sessions available, building your pipeline and boosting sales have never been easier. Explore advanced sales workshops today.